Are you curious to find out how aircraft carriers protect their planes during rough weather? Do planes fall off during storms and tornadoes in the ocean? Aircraft carriers are some of the most powerful ships in the world, but they can also be vulnerable when faced with extreme weather conditions. But don't worry, these massive vessels come equipped with advanced technology and highly trained personnel that ensure their safety even during storms. In this video, we'll explore how aircraft carriers manage harsh sea conditions so that their planes stay secured on deck, no matter what Mother Nature throws at them. Physical restraints. Physical restraints are an important part of aircraft carriers' ability to operate planes in extreme weather conditions safely. These restraints come in the form of steel cables and nylon straps that are used to securely tether the parked aircraft to the deck. The number and length of these restraints vary between different types of aircraft, but they all provide a large amount of stability and protection against strong winds and sudden shifts in the ship's center of gravity. Advanced technologies. Advanced technology, such as radar systems, satellite navigation systems, and weather monitoring systems, also play a major role in keeping aircraft safe on aircraft carriers during rough seas. Radar systems allow the crew to monitor weather patterns in their area and alert them if a storm is coming. This helps them plan operations accordingly, ensuring that no aircraft takes off or lands during dangerous conditions. Satellite navigation systems also help pilots land and take off, even during inclement weather. Finally, modern ships are equipped with sophisticated weather monitoring systems that measure wind speed, wave height, barometric pressure, and other factors that can affect the stability of the flight deck during a storm. Aircraft carriers use a variety of advanced technology and safety systems to ensure their safe operation during adverse weather conditions. One such system is the weather monitoring system, which allows the crew to stay aware of any potential threats and take necessary precautions. This system includes sensors that measure wind speed and direction, wave height, and air temperature. It also includes radar that can detect rain, thunderstorms, fog, and other potentially dangerous weather conditions. The data collected by these sensors is then used to create a detailed forecast so that the ship's crew can better prepare for any upcoming storms or other extreme weather conditions. In addition to the weather monitoring system, aircraft carriers also utilize an advanced communication system to ensure efficient and safe operations. This system allows for constant communication between crew members on board, as well as with aircraft in the air. This is crucial for coordinating takeoff and landing operations, as well as for staying abreast for any emerging threats or changes in the weather pattern. The communication system also helps personnel monitor aircraft performance from a distance by providing vital information such as fuel levels, engine temperatures, and flight path deviations. Finally, aircraft carriers employ highly trained maintenance personnel who are responsible for keeping the aircraft in top condition at all times. This maintenance personnel undergoes regular training courses, so they're up to date on current procedures and protocols related to aircraft inspection and repair tasks. They perform regular inspections of parts such as engines, wings, propellers, brakes, tires, hydraulic systems, etc., repairing any damage found or replacing worn components before they become an issue while in flight. They also regularly check fuel levels on both carriers and airplanes. It's essential that these levels remain above acceptable limits at all times to ensure safety during takeoff or landing procedures in turbulent seas. Training the crew. Training is an essential part of aircraft carrier operations and the safety of personnel and equipment on board. Aircraft carriers are highly complex machines that require highly skilled and dedicated crew members to operate safely and effectively. As such, training is a critical component of ensuring the safety of aircraft carriers and their aircraft. The crew on board an aircraft carrier must go through extensive training to learn the procedures and protocols necessary for securing the aircraft to the deck, operating equipment, and systems necessary for day-to-day operations, as well as responding to any emergency situation that may arise. Training is ongoing, with crew members regularly tested and evaluated to ensure they're up to date with their skill sets. Some examples of training include topics such as aviation refueling, flight deck landing operations, emergency response protocols in case of engine or control system failure, safe maneuvering within a crowded flight deck, loading armament onto combat aircraft, maintenance of complex navigation systems, etc. Training also includes different courses on weather monitoring systems so that crew members can be aware of any potential threats posed by storms or other weather conditions. In addition to learning how to operate machinery on board, training also involves communication drills where all personnel must practice working together as a team so they can coordinate takeoff and landing operations efficiently while ensuring everyone's safety. Regular inspections. Highlighting why regular inspections of equipment are necessary, as well as working with a weather monitoring system, is essential for the safety of aircraft carriers and their aircraft. Regular inspections are required to ensure that all parts and systems on an aircraft carrier are in good working order so that any potential problems can be caught before they become a significant issue. This includes checking for worn or damaged components, ensuring proper lubrication levels, and inspecting the flight deck for any debris or obstacles that need to be removed. In addition, crew members must stay up to date with weather conditions by using advanced communication systems and monitoring devices, such as radar, to detect any storms or other hazardous weather events approaching the ship. By staying informed about current weather patterns, crew members can take appropriate measures to protect personnel and equipment from harm's way if needed. In conclusion, aircraft carriers are designed and equipped with strong construction, advanced technology, and well-trained crew members to ensure the safety of personnel and equipment on board during extreme weather conditions. Through rigorous training sessions and regular inspections of all parts and systems on board an aircraft carrier, accidents can be avoided at all costs. Therefore, it's highly unlikely that a plane will fall off a flight deck due to rough seas or storms. Like and subscribe and comment down below if you learned something new today. Press the bell icon for more exciting videos like this, and like always, thank you for watching.